In my view, South Africa has been deteriorating from what we all envisaged it to be. I'm, for an example, worried now that we are saying there are wrong things that have happened during, whether it's accounting, whatever you call it. And the institution that is given an authority to handle this for us, not for itself, for us, the citizens, guided by the principles and the laws. And if we raise the issues, that there are issues that need to be attended to, they have an authority to say, sorry, we'll give you just a few minutes. And then we close. I don't know what type of a democracy that one is on the people whom are supposed to be given this democracy. And they are pushed as if we are prisoners. Somebody forcing you to get into the cell before they lock. The complaints that they've been put forward are too serious. Very, very serious. This is not, or they are not like small little points. They are very, very serious. Before we could come to voting, many trucks were caught, driven by wrong people, instead of those who participate in making sure that everything is done properly, fairly.